Hello, I'm Zara from Doypack. Today, I will introduce the two sets of Doypack machine we customize for customers who need to pack the coconut soil with 1 gallon and 2 gallon. Now let's see the details of the machines. We equip the slow conveyor for feeding the material. As the coconut soil is little dusty, it will stick on the surface, and this conveyor is easy to clean. Now let's go to see how to feeding the material. The material will vibrate and go to the weir. This is a 2-head linear weir. The material will feed into here. As the coconut soil contains different ingredients, so we equip the stirring device in here to mix the material to make sure the material is uniform. And here is the conveyor belt to assist feeding the material into this hopper. And then go to the weighing process. Okay, now let's go to see the packing parts. Okay, this is the single station Doypack machine. Let's go to see the details of it. The first part is the bag giving station. We need to place the Premade bag in here, and then it will go to the next step. Okay, let's see how the whole machine operates. The suction cup will pick up the Premade bag and then go to the next step. And open the bag. And then filling. This is the tube connect with the dust remover. It will remove the dust generated during the filling. And with the airflow function to make sure the good filling effect. And here is the finished bag conveyor belt. And this is the roller conveyor belt with the vibration function. It will vibrate the material and make sure the finished bag is flat and full. Okay, that's all the introduction today. If you have the similar requirements, feel free to contact us to provide the solutions for you. See you next time. Bye bye.